Hi guys, are you looking for the best dog doors? In this video we will show the best dog doors. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 dog doors you can buy it. Each has its own features, advantages and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the best dog doors from reputable brands. After much research I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. New Pet Door Safe Lock. High quality and durable. The frame is made of high quality material with long life use, while the flap let pets see through the door clearly. Large outsize, 37x43 cm. Small outsize, 24x29 cm. This light pet screen door. Dog door with magnetic flap closures. It can keep the door automatically closed when your dog leaves. Weight pet flap door with high quality lock sheet allows you to install an exclusive door into an interior or exterior wall. After your pet passing through the door, it will get closed automatically. For switches model. For independent models to lock the cat flap door with switches, swing out only, in only, both in and out, and fully locked, easy to control your pets in and out. Easy training. Training and acclimatization are made less stressful by the transparent flap, which lets your cat see her food or litter box on the other side of the door. Additionally, a brush strip is wrapped around the flap to lessen the noise and force that cats can use while pushing it. Number 2. Air Supply Door Exchanger. The Dog Shrink Less Pet Supplies Air Supply Door Exchanger is a functional door flap that will be interesting to your pet in its daily activities. One that uses a magnetic latch to enable owners to open and close the door when Barbie need to get in and out, but then locks itself once Barbie is through. Perfect for both cats and dogs, it has a clear, waterproof panel that allows pets to see through while they are warm or protecting them from the cold, the heat, or even rain. Noise is minimized when the door closes with the help of a brush strip, and a slide-in closing panel facilitates pet control and excludes strangers. Constructed out of strong, windproof, rainproof, and UV-resistant fabric, this flap is highly durable. Coming in 2 sizes, the Holistic Pet is designed for easy installation on doors, walls, or windows, creating a comfortable, easy access point for pets. The low noise production eliminates disturbance to your pet or the members of your household. Number 3. Door Pet Dogs Outside Window. Door Pet Dogs Outside Window Gate Home Entrance Fashion-Free Pretty Garden New Safe Lock Screen is designed to fit small pets, which has weight of under 30 pounds for the dogs, cats as well as other small pets. Measuring 8 inches wide x 10.2 inches high, this flap opening allows you access your home without compromising on security. A magnetic strip self-closes the door once you open it, while the lockable option enhances security when you are away or at night. Constructed with ABS material, the door frame is safe from biting, abrasion as well as corrosion, making it long-lasting. This pet door is very simple to install with screws and is most effective on screen doors, sliding doors, and the porch. However, it is not effective on very thick wooden or metal doors. The item you receive is a pet screen door, the installation guide, and a grooming glove for daily pet care. Number 4. Pet Dog Screen Doorhouse Lockable. The Pet Dog Screen Doorhouse Lockable Sliding Cat Screen Door is a unique and safe pet product. Constructed from ultra-hard ABS material, it is virtually indestructible. The heavy-duty pet flap door also comes with high-standard locking tabs for easy installation on interior/exterior walls. This door is designed to open and close on its own once your pet is through, giving you the convenience of the door. The door features 4 switch models to control access, can swing both ways, swing in one direction, or be fully locked so that one can control the movement of the pets. This clear shell cover provides pets visibility, thus helpful during puppy training and minimizes stress. Also, the flip cover is attached by using a brush strip to reduce noise. Easy to install on screen doors, windows, or porches. The pet door comes in 2 sizes. Large, 10. Sizes include large, 13 by 19 inches, medium, 5 by 17 inches, small, 9.5 by 11.5 inches to help fit the prints through different openings. Number 5. Large Cat Door Large Dog Premium Aluminum Door. Large Cat Door Large Dog Premium Aluminum Door is a long-lasting and insulated forgiving means of entry for the pets. With 2 panels, the door also wards off unnecessary fluctuation of climate conditions with relatively appropriate insulation for harsh weather conditions. These are easily opened if one has to shove them with the head end, and the dark smoke-tinted translucent of the panels eliminates all the dangerous UV rays. For large dog breeds, cats, and other domestic animals, the dimensions of the door, 13-inch x 18-inch, are quite suitable. These also include spring-loaded hinges and 4 magnetic buckles for the cover that can clamp the system securely without allowing any air in. To make the door safer, an aluminum shave slides into the frame to close or open and store to ants, rodents, and other animals that may cause harm. The door also has 2 built-in locking pins to increase security of the door to the compound or room. Simple to place, it suits doors and walls 32 to 64 mm thick, but comes with installation instruction and cutting guide. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.